as the Midwest was able to attract more than $2.6 billion for high-speed rail projects. That's more than any other region in the country. The completion of the Midwest system will provide thousands of new permanent jobs for Illinois alone. Brian has mentioned some of those statistics coming out of their report. The study by the Midwest Regional Rail Initiative has also indicated the project will yield more than 24,000 new permanent jobs in Illinois, and as much as $480 million in additional household income. With the quick and easy access to Chicago provided through high-speed rail and the expanded passenger rail service throughout Illinois and the Midwest, that will actually help businesses make Illinois and the Midwest become more attractive places for businesses to put their operations. Another thing that excites us about high-speed rail is the opportunity for increased tourism. We believe that an additional $630 million will actually be generated, and actually I think that'll be addressed here in a little bit. But in 2008, Illinois was able to attract 88 million domestic visitors to Illinois, and we know that by increasing the passenger rail service throughout the Midwest, it's going to make it easier to bring in visitors, and that our tourism numbers will grow. It's already a $30 billion industry, so it's good for business, and it's certainly good for tourism. The most of that $2.6 billion is going to be committed to our signature line from Chicago to St. Louis, and the two additional projects will also be funded as a part of that $1.2 billion. Those will create over 6,000 new jobs. And then under Governor Quinn's Illinois capital bill, the Illinois Jobs Now capital plan, an additional $850 million is being invested. That's the largest state investment in rail in the state's history. And that will help build out an intercity system that will definitely give us an edge on competing for additional future funds. As Brian mentioned, last Friday, the governor and Senator Durbin announced the start of the first phase of the Chicago to St. Louis project, actually starting in Alton, Illinois, and coming up through to near Lincoln. It's a 90-mile stretch of the first phase of the project. The significance of that is this is the first high-speed rail construction project that's been approved by the Federal Railway Administration, and it's the first one that's underway in the nation. We're certainly glad to see that happening, because it is definitely putting people back to work right now. Initially, 260 people will be working directly on that project. Those are mostly good paying, high-wage union positions, and a total of 900 jobs are expected to be supported in full by that initial 90-mile segment. So as the report that's being released today clearly indicates, high-speed rail is definitely going to provide a needed boost toward our economic recovery in Illinois, and we're glad to see it underway.